This is the most coveted piece of paper on the planet. But the truth is, it's not paper at all.
Welcome to the fortress that prints $560 million a day. We are going inside, the billion-dollar money factory.
Forget everything you know about paper. American currency is actually fabric. A secret blend, 75% cotton and 25% linen. That is why it survives the washing machine.
Look closely at this pulp. Those red and blue security fibers aren't painted on. They are blasted deep into the material itself. And there, the Benjamin Franklin watermark. It is born from water while the sheet is still wet.
A perfect trap for amateur counterfeiters.
Ready for the next stage. It's what.
In a digital age, this place still worships the human hand. The master engravers spend decades in training. Their mission? To carve ink grooves thinner than a human hair into cold steel plates. One sneeze, one skipped heartbeat, and months of work are ruined. They aren't just carving a president. They are carving the trust of an entire economy.
Perfection achieved.
Now, we accelerate. White rolls of paper dive into the massive Super Orloff press. Here, they receive their first coat.
Subtle background washes of orange and purple. You might not notice them.
But a photocopier will. This layer is the enemy of modern scanners. After printing, these sheets need 72 hours to cure. Slow, but steady.
But this is the main event, the intaglio press.
Preparing the heavy artillery. This massive machine is the Super Orloff. It doesn't print the money you see. It prints the layer you ignore. Subtle washes of orange and purple. A nightmare for scanners.
Without this layer, your money is vulnerable.
Now the heat is on. Gas dryers blast the sheets.
72 hours of waiting. Good thing, take time.
But this is the main event, the intaglio press. The ink here isn't liquid. It's thick, heavy, like paste. It fills the microscopic grooves of the master plate. Then, 60 tons of pressure. The paper is literally forced into the ink. The result is 3D printing from the 19th century. Feel Franklin's coat. It's rough. That's the feeling of real money.
Now flip it over.
The legendary greenback ink.
Human eyes still check the work.
Thousands of sheets per hour.
Every line is crisp. Every detail is perfect. But physical ink isn't enough anymore.
We need something. A high-tech.
The factory floor is a symphony of noise and precision.
Where millions of dollars are born every hour.
But are they perfect?
If not, they are destroyed.
Coming up, the alien technology woven into your cash.
The underworld's biggest nightmare lies right here. The 3D security ribbon.
Watch the illusion. Tilt the bill. The bell turns into a 100.
Optical magic that makes photocopying absolutely useless. Make no mistake, it's not printed on the bill. It is woven into it.
A beautifully printed sheet is still not money until it gets a name.
The copy system begins the baptism.
The emerald green serial number.
Clack, clack, clack. Every number is unique.
From this second on, that piece of cotton is legal tender.
But we aren't done. The final guard is waiting. High-speed optical scanning.
In a split second, computers analyze 47 data points on every single bill.
Ink smear. Rejected. Misaligned cut. Rejected.
There is no mercy here. Defective sheets are destroyed immediately.
Only the perfect survive the guillotine cutter.
To become finished product.
From a raw blend of cotton, through fire, water, and pressure, to become the most powerful symbol in finance.
These bricks are being loaded into armored trucks, ready for your wallet.
You have just witnessed the birth of the $100 bill. Want to see inside a factory that makes solid gold bars?
Hit that subscribe button for Factory Insight 360 right now.
See you next week.